Hello, guys, and welcome back to Love Told You So. Okay, I'm back with another daily general reading. I hope you guys have had a great day. Um, so let's see. I'm I'm sorry, I got lost for words. So anyway, welcome back. Okay, welcome back to my reading. Um, I hope you enjoy the reading, and if anything resonates for you, please comment, like, share, subscribe. um, I hope I can aid and assist with something you may want to you're trying to figure out, um, shuffling right now it's showing me protection or guidance to get away from a situation or to change a situation. Okay. Some type of, there may be no communication. You may be waiting for communication from someone, okay, or a business. Mm-hmm. You do have guidance, um, or protection over a victory of some sort. You're working towards a victory of some kind. Okay, now let's cut the cards. Okay. Again, please like, share, subscribe, comment if you enjoyed my reading. And you can hit the notification button so that you can get future um, notices when I start, when I record in the future. So we're just going to get right into it. Okay. And I have PayPal and Cash App in the description box. Okay. If you would like to donate. And okay, I do appreciate you guys likes, shares, subscribes, and donations. Thank you so much for those who have shown support so far. Thank you. Thank you so far. Okay. The High Priestess. Knowing someone knows something intuitively. Okay. Six of Wands. Action towards a victory or victory. Okay, this person may be popular. Okay. Again, this is a general reading, so it could go for, a group of you. Oh my goodness, what is going on? Okay, the Page of Cups, reverse. And so the first suit I'm looking at, okay, the High Priestess is knowing something. And then again, the Six of Wands is victory, or someone being popular, a popular person rather. Popular for what they've done, for what they're known for, or victory for what they've done or accomplished. And then the Wheel of Fortune. So that the Wheel of Fortune is, for me, karma on a good end. So good karma. Things are um, turning in your favor, or there's things are turning in someone's favor. Okay, and I think you intuitively know this. Mm-hmm. Someone knows that they're going to have a victory over something, or maybe spirit just wants you to know that you're going to have victory over something. Mm-hmm. Yeah, everything will turn out in your favor. Okay. Now the Page of Cups reverse. Okay, upright Page of Cups is offering. It could be offering love, because it's emotions. Proposing something, offering something. Okay, but reverse, this is not being offered. Okay, someone's not focused on. So the victory doesn't look like it's emotional as far as feelings. Let's see. It could be a victory over a separation, a victory over a breakup, maybe. King of Swords. Is someone who tells the truth. Someone who's honest. Someone who's always changing. This could be an air sign altogether. Okay, so an air sign may have victory over something, air or fire. Okay, something is turning in your favor. It's not so much as emotional as it may be victory over self, victory over it could be a graduation. Well, but we weren't able to actually go through with the ceremony, right? Victory. Mm-hmm. Victory over a breakup. Mm-hmm. Okay, let's keep moving. I don't want to get stuck like that. Sorry for that delay. I'm just looking. Someone knows that someone didn't care. Someone didn't care. Someone showed their true colors. something. Someone. Let's look at this. Juggling. Two of Pentacles. Okay, juggling money, juggling people, juggling emotions. Okay. Okay, and we do have, it's connected with the Page of Cups reversed. So, it's, it's not emotional based, it's emotionless. Yes, I feel like someone is celebrating with friends over a breakup. That's not okay. Someone had their heart broken, but this, so far, that's what it looks like. Someone's celebrating a breakup, right? But it turned out, the breakup turned out, it turned out in their favor. This may be for the air sign, fire sign. Okay, Two of Pentacles, King of Cups. Okay, so somewhat, okay, there were no real feelings. Someone thought there were feelings involved, or that they were in love. But it seemed like that someone was juggling. Okay, there was lack thereof of emotions with that Page of Cups reversed. Two of Pentacles, the King of Cups, and the King of Wands. So maybe emotional. King of Cups could be, okay, because it is connected with the Page of Cups. Okay, and then the King of Swords. So maybe someone was emotionally abusive. Yeah, someone may have been emotionally abusive, verbally abusive. Yeah, that would be a victory. Okay, walking away from getting away from a sociopath, over emotional person, unstable. Someone, yeah, was emotionally unstable. Period. Page of Cups reverse. Let alone immature. Okay, with the pages, because they're it's like young, the first stage. King of Wands. Okay, it's can be a stable person. Okay, that maybe in charge, maybe a boss. Maybe someone, okay, after this victory, with things turning in your favor, someone gains their stability. Okay, they get their crown back. They get their position back after this emotionally unstable situation. Let's look into this. I'm going to clarify with the kipper. It just looks like too many cards, obviously. Someone knew. They intuitively knew, or just that there were no feelings involved. That someone was juggling. Okay, a gift, right? Someone knew. Someone intuitively knew. Gift. Let's see. Someone could have received a gift of some sort, not just intuitively, but physically. A victory may have brought someone something tangible as well. Again, poverty, okay, over wheel of fortune and victory. So, obviously, I believe that this yeah, if you didn't have any, yeah, again, gaining their strength back, getting their crown back, regaining their position. So, with poverty, maybe someone felt down, felt down and out. And maybe, during the pandemic, not working again, not having the funds that you're used to, it can put a damper on your spirit. But I don't know if this is something new that was created, funds out of nowhere. Okay. That's just, for me, you don't have to worry about the poverty. Someone is walking away from poverty or a poor mindset. Okay? Someone could be walking away from a poor mindset. This is the end of feeling this way ever. Okay? However you may feel. Main female. Okay, over juggling, King of Cups. Okay, and I said King of Cups may have been unstable, emotionally unstable, because we have the Cups reversed. So this could have been look at that flipped over. Okay, this could have been an emotionally unstable female that someone walked away from, or the emotionally unstable female, or this female had to walk away. No, this female was emotionally unstable. Somebody was dealing with a female who may have been emotionally manipulative, may have been cheating, juggling something, um, and it was a loop. I don't know. With this female, okay, this have this situation or these problems could have been repetitive. Okay, only for who it applies to or well resonates with rather. Okay, yeah. And then we have coughing. Coughing. Hmm. That's putting putting something to death. It didn't turn over. I'm not gonna take it. No, that's putting something to death. I'm gonna take it. That fell down. I'm gonna take that. But coughing is putting something to death. Okay, putting something to an end. Close, shut. Um, yeah. So some relationship, this something was closed, shut, sealed, deal. So it could be a contract situation of some type of agreement. Okay, is or relationship has ended. Okay, or will end, or is ending in the process of ending right now. So what fell out? The mature man rather. I don't know. Maybe this person has matured. Okay, all together. Maybe someone has matured. Maybe this was something in the past that had happened. Okay, someone walked away, something um ended. Someone wants to come back and maybe propose. But on the other hand, with the Page of Cups reversed, that's a lack of emotion. So someone could have just been trying to have a victory for finances or because of money, and but at the same time a it wasn't an emotionally fulfilling relationship, and it had to be put to rest. Okay, that's what I see. But something is working out, um turning out in the victors, working out for the victor. Okay, whoever has the I guess whoever received the short end of the stick, right? This baby looked so done, okay? But this person is so done, but fell over the wheel of fortune. That glare is probably really bad. But yeah, there's a rat over there. Someone's telling something. There's a lot of gossip. Um, there's a cat right there. So you have spirit backing you up. Those cats are spirit animals. Well, everything has a spirit, so we have spirit animals, and cat chases away the rats, right? Unless they're too big. But yeah, he's walking away from the slums. He's tired of. This person is tired of working hard. Probably has this person is probably trying to gain their um, gain some financial stability. So it doesn't really look like this person is really worried about a relationship right now. Okay. I mean, after you get out of an emotionless relationship, hey. So I'm gonna do something a little different. Um, let's get a outcome card, right? Using the same the Rider Tarot deck. Get an overall energy just to see what may come of this, because everything is based off of your reaction, your actions, the actions that you take, right? It's all your choice and decision. Okay, these are just some avenues in which to make your decision. Queen of Swords. Queen of Swords, more honesty. We have the King of Swords in there as well. This could have something to do with an air sign. Again, I said that earlier. Okay. Again, something had to be with the towers. Something. Oh, you can't see it. I'm sorry, guys. So let me do it over here. Okay. Something with the tower. The tower came out. I'm digging a little further. So, like I said, this could have had something to do with a Queen of Swords, or a air sign, Aquarius, Gemini, Libra. Okay. Again, past, present, future. I stated that something could have, it could have been a relationship dynamic, or it could have been a business as well. Someone could have lost a business, or something happened with the business where there was a loss. As far as well as it could have been, a couple, and this the foundation was faulty, so it created a tower moment, right? Something created a tower moment. What was that? Not sure. Could have been another air sign. Could have been an Aquarius. The star is Aquarius, or any air sign. Okay, and this is the star. I'm sorry, a wish fulfillment. Someone has a wish fulfillment. Someone could have been waiting for this to end. Again, going back to the high priestess, knowing, and then back to the star card. Someone, again, they were hoping and wishing for the best, but yet it didn't work out the way that they wanted it to. Get one more. Okay, and again, the Emperor. The mature man is there as well. So, what do we say with the mature male? This person, okay, someone could have grown up. Someone could have learned from the situation. All right, the tower can always be rebuilt. You can always rebuild off a faulty foundation. You just have to reset the foundation, right? So, yeah, someone had a fall. The Emperor is, this is a boss, older person. Father, grandfather. that just an older person. This could, again, pertain to a person being more mature and learning um, from their mistakes, maybe wanting to make something right, because we do have the star card. So it may be, this tower may be rebuilt. Someone is rebuilding. We don't know if it's with the same person. We do have two feminine cards, the Queen of Swords and the Star. Okay, so obviously this tower moment could have been due to a third party. We do have three, okay, two feminine energies and one masculine. Very, very much so. Could have been third party situation. But it looks like you guys may try again. Although the coffin is down here, but the coffin also, again, I said put in something to rest, right? And in something. So someone could have ended it with the third party. Someone could have ended it with the third party. They put their relationship in jeopardy because of the third party, but still is willing to put forth the effort, right? To get their family back, to get the family structure back, just to make something right. Okay, this Emperor is going to make something right, and I'm going to pull the Spirit Oracle card. And again, I was saying it could have been a fire sign, Sagittarius, Leo, Aries. Okay, two cards, two oracles came out, and I'm gonna take those two. The Artist, and look at in sexuality. What is going on? What is going on? Okay, so the Artist is you hold the infinite power of creation within you, a divine artist. Create something beautiful today. Feel the stars shining with the universe. I'm sorry, feel the stars shining. You are one with the universe and nature. The eternal light of creation shines through you forever. All right. And sexuality, an influx of sexual energy is coming your way. Embracing both masculine and feminine aspects of the self creates wholeness. It is safe for you to express your sexuality in whatever way you choose, provided you do it lovingly. Okay? You see that? The glare is terrible, but I think you guys see it. Okay, so that's all I have for you. I believe it's all gonna work out. Okay, it's coming back together is what it looks like to me. It's gonna be a reunion, right? It's going to be somebody's gonna make up. Okay, that's what it looks like to me, and so I hope you guys enjoyed it and you really liked it. Again, in advance, thank you for the likes, the shares, comments, and subscribes. Come back and see me. Thank you so much for your support. Bye bye.